Sa wakas, dumating din ang araw na pinakahihintay naming lahat. Matapos ang higit 6 na buwang pagpaplano, ay mararating din namin ang mga bansang matagal na naming gustong mapuntahan. At ang una naming destinasyon, ang Chiang Mai, Thailand. Kaya nga halos di maalis ang aming mga ngiti sa aming mga mukha.
Let's go! You ready? Ready? Ready na ka?
Yaps.
Let's go!
Di nagtagal ay unti-unti nang nabubuo ang grupo.
Hello!
At dahil maaga pa, minabuti naming mag-early dinner. At mukhang dito pa lang mabubutas na ang aming mga bulsa.
Kulang day page, first day pa lang, 50 kayo ni. Grabe man, bagbuman. Sabi kayo na ako dito ako sa Johnny Breeze.
Actually.
Finill out na rin namin ang e-travel online at ang SG Arrival para sa mga releasan ng bansa at papasok ng Singapore.
Ayaw ko bro. Move your head to the right.
Sarap itong matawa.
At nang nakakuha na ng confirmation, oras na para sa totoong laban. Handa na ba kami?
Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
Ma'am, hindi pa kayo immigration, di ba? Hindi pa ito immigration. Hindi pa. Check-in pala.
Check-in pa po.
Nagpa-pressure na kami.
Heavy pressure na.
We'll be using gate 14 before boarding. Then ako sa ni-hold, ma'am sir, kaya magbayad po travel tax. Ito sa Tumoy Jud siya.
Matapos namin magbayad ng travel tax at i-release ang kaba, oras na para sa kinakatakutan ng lahat.
So, ready na bang lahat?
Ikaw, ready ka na?
Ready na. Video, anong source of income?
Salary!
Ang salary, saan galing?
Sa company ko.
Anong company?
Freedom Academy Panglao.
May site sa Philippines?
Meron. Immigration ko na ba yan?
Ayaw ka? Ayaw?
Ngayong sure na makakaalis nga kami ng bansa, ay agad naman kaming nag-book ng eSIM sa Klook to update our loved ones at mga chismosang kapitbahay. Ow. I guess this is it. Totoo na talaga to. Di na siya drawing ah. Chiang Mai, here we come! Pero daan muna tayo ng Singapore for now. Paglapag sa Singapore ay inactivate naman namin ang eSIM ng bawat isa nang makapost na rin sa wakas. Yes! Yes, touchdown Singapore for the cloud. At dahil may 3-hour layover kami rito, sinulit na rin namin at nag-ikot-ikot.
Hi, it's me again. Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot what you said. I can't find the booth.
Okay, no worries, I show the map for you. It's better for you, okay? One moment.
Sure.
Okay, can you see the screen now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, you're currently located here.
So, like siya kayo na.
Here. So you need to walk this direction.
Okay.
Sorry, here. All the way, your right hand side, all the way straight. Go straight. Near the information counter, they have a one trying recommend counter over here.
So I'm going to my left.
Yeah, your left. Then all the way straight.
Okay.
Aaminin ko, sa 3 oras naming layover sa Singapore, namangha na ako sa lawak nito at sa high-tech ng facilities. Indeed, it's not called the #1 airport in the world for nothing. Di nagtagal,
Jenna, can you take picture Narita like message?
hanggang sa
The temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. And traffic permitting, we should be landing at about 11:10 a.m. local time. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly with Scoot. We hope to see you again on one of our flights in the near future. Have a pleasant morning. Cabin crew, prepare for arrival. Thank you.
Sawadee-krap, Chiang Mai! Ang warm ng welcome mo, apakainit! Ang Chiang Mai ay nasa hilagang bahagi ng Thailand. Kumpara sa Bangkok, di hamak na mas relax at napapalibutan ng mga puno ang Chiang Mai. Upon arrival sa Chiang Mai Airport ay agad akong nag-withdraw ng Thai baht using my GCash card. At habang ang iba ay nagpa-money exchange, nag-book ako ng masasakyan using the Bolt app para makamura at iwas scam. At dahil bago kami sa lugar, halatang nangangapa pa kami sa kanilang lengguwahe. Medyo natagalan ang pagkikita namin ng Bolt driver at nung amin siyang naispatan,
Ito pa siya ayok.
Makalipas ang ilang minuto, isang panibagong driver ang dumating at ang nagdala sa amin sa isang Michelin star restaurant na nag-o-offer ng staple food ng Chiang Mai. Ito ang khao soi.
So this is the beef, right? And chicken, and then the chicken.
Yes.
This is the soup.
The noodle. And a soup.
The soup. What is your secret ingredient here, Mom? Why does it taste so delicious? The curry? Is it
Curry.
curry?
Curry. Khao soi curry.
Curry.
Yes,
This is curry, right? The soup.
Yes.
Yes. And other spices. Other
And
spices.
coconut.
Oh, this is
Yes.
coconut.
Yes.
How long do you do this? Like overnight? The soup is overnight?
Soup, definitely, soup, beef or chicken.
Oh, the soup is separate. This
Yeah,
is for
separate,
the
yeah.
beef. This is for
I
the
mean pork,
chicken.
pork or beef. Pork or chicken also.
Chicken.
Pork and beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
Soup.
Separate. Yeah.
Separate.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Ito na nga yata ang pinakamasarap na pagkain na nakain namin sa Thailand. Yung tipong hahanap-hanapin mo. Matapos namin kumain at maglibot-libot sa syudad ng Chiang Mai, ay nag-book na rin ako ng Bolt driver papunta sa tunay naming sinadya dito sa probinsya.
Hello! Sawadee-ka! Hi! Hello!
Okay. Let's go to No, it's okay.
Pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the one you told. Wait, hold on. Put me together.
At makalipas ng mahigit isang oras, nakarating rin kami sa Tawon Riverside Elephant Resort.
I had a feeling that was up gone.
Hello! We have a reservation.
Yes.
Uh,
I have your passport, please.
Sure.
We serve at the restaurant 8 to 10 tomorrow is included. And for tonight, you can order the dinner. The last order 8:30 and 9 p.m. we close. And do you want to book any activities for tomorrow?
We'd like to do the wake up.
Wake up is you pay extra like 1,500 baht per room.
That's for all of us, right?
Yes.
Since we're in one room.
Yes. So you can.
What
pick
if
the
we
time.
have bathing?
Bathing is 1,000 is
500 per person?
Yeah, it's 1,500 baht per person.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
At dahil matagal na itong nakabook, mas mabilis kaming na-entertain at nakita ang mga bumungad sa aming mga elephants.
Room number 1.
Thank you!
Number 1.
This is air conditioned, right?
Yes.
Perfect.
So, mga lakocheros, we're already here at Tawon Riverside. Welcome to our room! Tada! So, So come, let's go. Look at our view here. It's like overlooking the river. Tapos parang yung may cafe doon sa baba. Ang ganda, napaka-aesthetic. So meron kami mini sala here. Look. Sorry na lang sa aming mga gamit dyan. Diba? Oh, morning ka dito. Magsarap dito. Muni-muni ka dyan. Ganyan. Ganyan ka. Oh. Diba? Tapos may pa bamboo rafting dyan sa baba. Oh. To the river. Ang ganda. May mga bato-bato doon. Then, napaka-aesthetic ng aming room, guys. It's glass. So, and this is our room here. And sa tingin ko, dahil ako nag-iisang babae, ako ang sa baba.
Oh yeah, for sure. You know that one. Yes.
Ang kinatato!
So,
tapos, may pa ano dito, pa wardrobe nila.
actually, ang bango ha.
Ang mga boys, kasi syempre ako naka sa baba, sa mga boys, sila, pag-ising nila, ganyan. Tapos, look! Talaga na mga clean!
That's crazy!
Ang aesthetic naman dito. Ang yaman naman ni Chasing James. Thank you, Chasing James. Patingin ng... Ooh, may heater. Ano nila?
Wow!
Bathroom. Then, so ito siya. Then with the towel.
Go to the cameraman.
Okay, so... Yun lang mga guys. Let's enjoy the show. Let's enjoy the show. May pa wifi. May free wifi pa.
Okay.
Tada! Ang saya, di ba? Okay, let's start na.
Be, kita naka-elephant.
Nice mag-cake tas na elephant yan.
Yeah. Ipa-blow ang cake sa elephant.
Cute yung mga elephant.
Aaminin ko, pinaghalong tuwa at awa ang naramdaman ko sa pagkakataong ito. Tuwa dahil sa wakas nakakita na rin ako ng isang dambuhalang nilalang na madalas sa mga libro at pelikula ko lang nakikita. Awa, sapagkat kahit malaya sila, tila nakakulong pa rin ang mga rescued elephants na to sa kanilang nakaraan. Noong unang panahon, ang pagkakaroon ng elepante ay simbolo ng karangyaan dito sa Thailand. Minsan rin silang naging pangunahing transportasyon at ginagamit sa pagtutroso. Di nagtagal ay tila ginawang atraksyon ang ilang domesticated mammals na ito para pasunurin at maging parte ng mga ritual o festivals. Isa sa mga rescued elephants ng resort na to, si May. 45 years old at isa sa pinakamatandang elepante sa resort. Bakas ang trauma ng naging pang-aalipin sa kanya sa paraan ng kanyang pagkilos na para bang habang buhay na siyang nakatali sa kanyang nakaraan. Sa kasalukuyan, may ilan pa ring mga elephant center sa Thailand na nag-o-offer ng mga serbisyong maaaring di makakabuti para sa mga dambuhalang nilalang na ito. At naway itigil natin ang pagtangkilik sa mga ganitong atraksyon para sa kapakanan ng isa sa mga tinuturing na endangered species sa mundo. At nung kinagabihan,
bubblegum fights on the third floor. Comedy special.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish.
Blow your candle.
Blow your candle. Blow another candle. Yay! Happy birthday!
Init siya.
Wala, hindi kaya siya mag-stop.
Blow mo na yan. Blow. Okay.
Kaya taga-picture nito,
Wala na. Yay! Happy birthday!
Know that
Oh,
I'm
may
left
gift!
with
Wala, first time. First time ko mag-ibili ng cake, no? Sa cake.
you call
Keep reaching for your dreams, for your dreams. First time ko makagawa ng gift sa birthday.
No?
Gold necklace.
Wow!
Sana siya.
Lang.
Was it easy
Ang ito,
Oh, yeah.
Oo, pwede na sila umaga
when I
yun.
was young?
Oh! Nice na. Pitan sa ma'am. Gawito na ko.
Birthday!
Anong masasabi mo sa birthday?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sabi mo.
Sige, let's go! Kain na!
Or was it all the trick you played on me? Nowadays we're all so spread out.
Kinabukasan,
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need
Good morning, Sawadika.
even in the hard time. You and I can weather any storm.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. What do you say? Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Ha?
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Yes.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang
Thailand.
umaga.
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Yes,
Sawadika nga.
Makhe dong, makhe.
Is that a female?
Yeah, female the baby one.
Big one.
The baby one mother.
Mother.
Yeah. Female too.
How old?
No female.
How old the baby?
Baby. 1 year 10 months.
Oh.
1 year.
Oh, the baby one, not female, male.
Oh.
Male. Boy, baby boy. Okay, makhe.
What is elephant in Thailand?
Yeah. Huh?
What is elephant in Thailand? The elephant.
Elephant.
Silent word.
Thailand.
Oh, Thailand language, yeah.
Oh.
In Thailand.
Oh, Chan.
Chan.
Chan, yeah. Chan.
Chan.
Damo, makhe, damo.
Yeah.
You see this one?
Yeah.
The big one, grandmother, this one. Yeah, grandmother, baby, grandson.
Grandson.
Yeah,
Grandson.
grandson.
Hello, grandmother.
Is she always here?
Not yet. Only tonight. Yeah.
How old is he?
45.
45.
Tawang, makhe. The baby one. Do you know baby elephant?
In what name?
Tawang.
Tawan.
Tawan, baby
Is she the
Tawan.
smallest?
Not smaller.
Hello, baby Tawan.
Smaller, another baby. Bye bye.
Hello.
bago kami nagsimula sa mga activities namin sa resort, ay nag-breakfast muna kami. Dito, aming napagkwentuhan ang aming mga naging first immigration experience. Nang biglang,
Yeah, sa akong immigration.
Ikaw yung pinakamatagal?
Yes! Actually, kinabahan ako.
Kasi?
First time. And then, lalo na kinabahan ako nung yung mga kasama ko, nakapasok na sila lahat. Yung tipong ako na lang.
Ikaw na lang naiwan.
Oo. Question na tinanong talaga, first talaga na question itatanong nila sa'yo, saan yung punta mo? So yung sagot ko, Thailand. Tapos, second question is, ano daw ako doon? Ano?
Anong gagawin?
Anong gagawin ko daw sa Thailand? So ayun, sabi ko, travel, sabi ganun. Sinagot ko yan. So syempre parang hindi tayo kabahan. Sabi ko lang na, travel at leisure. Yun yung sagot ko. Tapos after that one, nagtanong sa payslip ko. Kinuha yung payslip ko. Tapos binalik sa akin naman. Tapos kinuha na naman niya. Tapos next question naman, ano daw gagawin ko daw sa Thailand. So yung sagot ko pangalawa, yun yung parang joker kasi sinabi ko para sa elephant.
So inuulit nila?
Inuulit nila yung tanong. So dapat consistent ka lang talaga.
Cool lang naman talaga ako pagpasok ko. Char, cool! Tapos, di ba nag-briefing tayo of the like common questions, no, like mga frequently asked questions. So, yung mga na-briefing na mga normal questions, yun lang din yung mga natanong, like ang natanong lang, saan ka punta? So, saan ka punta? Thailand, anong gagawin mo for travel? Tapos nakalimutan ko dapat vacation, ganyan. So, ha? Nagdami pa siya, sabi ko, for vacation. Tapos nung sabi niya, are you with a group? Sabi ko, yes. Ilan kayo? 5. Di ba yun na mga pre-practice natin ng mga questions. So nung ang tanong, anong trabaho mo? So when I said teacher ako, tapos binigay ko agad yung paper ko, ang travel authority, parang dun, okay, period. Oo, so tapos naghintay pa ako, wala naman siyang tatanong sa akin. So yung travel authority ko from DepEd, from regional office, parang dun na, kinuha niya na lang. Tapos, ano na siya, madami na siyang ini-encode, tinitingnan dun sa paper ko. Tapos yung tanong na lang, first time, sabi ko yes, okay, tapos picture. Tapos sabi niya, ang return ko daw, when is your return flight? Tapos, yun na, sabi ko, 16. So, tinignan niya lang doon, sabi ko nandiyan lang to. So, tinignan niya na yung mga documents na dala ko. Tapos, for teachers, no, siguro mga DepEd employees, kapag with the travel, siguro I think for all, sa mga government employees with the travel authority, parang yun na siya agad, parang mabili, wala nang ibang tanong, basta may travel authority, parang cut.
Bottom line, kung kompleto ang requirements.
Yes, kung kompleto ang requirements, parang no need to worry.
I did not expect the part where they ask yung kailangan i-open yung laptop ko to show my work, my logins and everything to what I do. So yun, just a normal Q&A, yun, saka pupunta, nung kasama mo, but then nung nag-ask na siya ng actual workload ko, then I was surprised. I'm glad that I brought my laptop. So sa immigration mismo, nag-open ako ng laptop. I showed them my tools, my logins, my emails. Yes, yun. And then, yeah, okay lang naman so far because I'm prepared and I'm confident.
Experience ko is very lang din.
Smooth?
Hindi siya pang pinakamabilis siguro sa lahat.
First siya.
Kasi ang pinaka-focus lang sa kuha nga question about OFW lang kasi. Yung requirements ko about sa OIC, yun lang yung hiningi sa akin, pati kung ano yung gagawin ko sa Thailand. Siyempre, common na yung question na sino mga kasama ko. Sinabi ko naman kasi magkakatabi lang kami ng saan-saan kami yung mga counter namin, magkatabi lang. Tinanong din sa akin kung ano ko si ma'am, inuro niya si ma'am Miss I. Sabi ko, kasama ko. Then yun lang yung main focus talaga sa tanong ko, yung about sa OFW. Pati sinabihan din ako na pagkatapos ko, pag uwi ko, na yung OEC ko, ano ko daw sa POEA.
My first immigration experience was smooth.
Okay.
In a way na wala masyadong questions. Siguro ang problema lang sa akin was medyo bingi ako. Gwapo ka pero bungol.
Wow, okay.
Kasi humingi siya ng ID, hindi ko na gets. Yung parang umabot sa point na parang halos sinigawan niya ako. ID, parang gano'n.
Okay.
Employee parang verification, gano'n. Tapos yung humingi siya ng return ticket, ang nabigay ko sa kanya, ticket papuntang Hanoi.
Okay.
Hindi pa po pabalik ng Philippines. Technically, smooth siya, especially nung nalaman niya yung company kung saan ako nag-work.
Okay.
Nagtanong lang siya kung ano yung previous job ko before that company. Then, that's it.
So out of all the questions, ano yung pinaka tumatak sa'yo that you find challenging?
Challenging? Siguro hindi yung questions, yung IO mismo. Kasi napaka-stricta niya. Para siya yung librarian na hindi...
Masungit?
hindi nagka-boyfriend ng matagal. Nung lumapit ako, I tried to be as comfortable, as calm as possible.
Okay.
Ayoko ipahalata sa kanya na medyo kinakabahan ako. Kasi parang mga away talaga siya. Para siyang yung itsura ng IO na nagbabagsak, yung nagpapa-offload. Pero lahat yun at the back of my mind lang. Kasi naging smooth naman. Although hindi talaga siya nag-smile at all. Pero I think it was part of their parang training din na to appear like that para hindi sila basta-bastahin ng mga taong nakakausap nila.
At pagkatapos ng agahan, oras na para sa karanasang di namin malilimutan.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your wraps in my bed.
Yung nagbayad ka pero
higit mo na to. I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me.
Yung virgin size ko na-kiss ng elephant.
A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
Shower kiss.
Used to be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal and now I don't feel broken
Medyo labag man sa kalooban, kinailangan naming lumisan para sa susunod naming biyahe papuntang Bangkok.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again?
Wait! Oo, alam kong sinabi kong papunta na kami ng Bangkok. Pero dahil alas 5 pa ng hapon ang sleeper train ride namin, ay dito na lang muna kami sa sheep farm ng Chiang Mai Sumaglit. Kaya abangan nyo ang Bangkok vlog next week ha. Oh, nag-promote pa. Sa ngayon, pakinggan muna natin si video.
Hi, what's up? So for today, we are here at the Paragon Society. Hello! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give up what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. With me, just give you a moment, stay in a moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay
Kailangan sila ng pagkain talaga.